Fine. Jai Hind everyone, those who joined. And first we may talk about yesterday's work, which is shared to all of you on quizy assignment which we have done. Do anybody want to ask any question from there? क्या आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है वहां से? Does anybody want to ask me anything from the homework which I have shared with you all yesterday? I saw nearly 30 students have attempted. It's very good. Tried to did that assessment. Still it is there. I think the deadline is today's night, so you may try after this class also. Those who not done yet. So in teachers pay, आपको yesterday I have shared one quiz assignment. So try to do it. Fine. Anybody has any question from there? Please ask question every time. I request you, all of you. You don't think that if we ask between all of our friends what somebody think, or yesterday that link was not opening, only it was coming error. Okay, try to copy it and open on Google Classroom separately. Fine, because so many students have already attempted it. Okay, fine. Integers again. When if you maybe next month you may be having any assessment. So during that time again we will revise it. And one thing is very much clear to you all. I think it is not necessary that the questions may be only from your NCERT book or examiner. Okay, based on that topic, question may be asked from anywhere. So all of you be ready for it. Fine. Assessment में भी आप ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चन देख सकते हैं. Maybe you may saw them the first time, but the concept is related. Okay, so always come up with some new and creative questions, and here also we try to discuss the same. Fine. So in the beginning of the class, I just want to ask you people. I think you are able to see this. Please, okay, I will see that quiz once. Fine. What is the problem? I may try to resolve. What part is colored sky blue? Can you all just comment here? What part is colored here? This sky blue. Fine, I am taking it near to you all. Now please tell me. You have yellow, violet, and here this part, sky blue. What part is this which I am just showing it? Can you just comment the fraction part? One by 8. Shardul is telling 1 by 8. Okay. This part, this is a complete square. This is half, and then this part I am asking you, the sky blue color. Okay. Or navy color. Fine. Now please try to comment what part is green here. Now Alice is telling me 1/10 is sky blue, 1/8. Good. In this smaller part. Okay. Fine. So let's check it for a while and just note down this question and try to answer me. Please note down the questions. Write the new topic which we are going through today's date, and we are talking about our friend from class maybe third or fourth, fractions. A number consists of a whole number and a fraction is called. A dash is a number that represents a part of a whole. A fraction whose numerical value is greater than 1 is called. And a fraction whose numerical value is between 0 and 1. A whole and a fraction. You may give some example. Suppose if I take a whole and a fraction. Okay. I think many of you have seen it already. This is 1 here and this is a 1/6. Fine. So 1/6. How I may write it? Yes. 1/6. So there is a whole number 1 and there is a fraction 1/6. Which type of number? Many of you have given correct answer. It's a mixed fraction. Keep writing, all of you. Note down it. Very good. Nice, got the second one also. Shardul, first one. Santosh given first answer. Here. Yeah, so how there, and it should be A. Yes, I was also thinking the same. I think it should be A here. A dash is a number that represents a part of a whole. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. Fine, I think all of you are noting down, so I made up the first one now. Keep writing, all of you, just note it down. Part of a whole. If somebody asks us what is a fraction, simple words we are telling the parts of a whole. Okay, वो जो question आपको भी मैंने I have shown you. This was the half part, and the half of half. I think this is 1/4. और इस 1/4 का भी हमने half किया था. That is 1/8. So these are fractions, the part of a whole. A fraction whose numerical value is greater than 1. एक से ज्यादा अगर किसी की वैल्यू है Give examples. All of you may give example. Fine, आप example दे सकते हैं. Fraction की बात कर रहे हैं, dear students. फ्रैक्शन है कैसा फ्रैक्शन जिसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू जो है वो 1 से ज्यादा होगी. जैसे शार्दुल ने दे दिया 4/2. 4/2 is 2 which is more than 1. फाइन. अच्छा 4/2 के पहले क्या आता है 3/2. So 3/2, what is the value of 3/2? How we may write 3/2 in 3/2 we know very well. 3 divided by 2. We may write it as quotient, remainder and divisor 1. 1/2. Improper fraction, yes. So 3/2 is an three by two, 2/2. 2/2 is improper or proper? Comment all of you. 2/2. Proper or improper? Two by two, 5/5, 9/4. These all are the examples of. They all are improper fractions. Their value is greater than, और वहां पर हम ये भी लिख सकते थे greater than or equal to. Yes, 1 के अगर equal भी होगा then also it is an improper fraction. The last one is, yes, you all are getting it correct. Improper improper r greater than or equal to 1, proper r less than 1, equivalent means same. I think you all able to see. Just tell me what you can see. It is 1 by 10. How many 1 by 10 I have? Make it a little bit space between them. There are 5. 5 by 10. Can you tell me any equivalent fraction of 5 by 10 which is less than 5 by 10? One by 2. Janvi has written 1 by 2. So when we have 5 by 10 and 1 by 2, you know they both are same. So means the same value, know it very well, equivalent fractions have the same value. So this was the intro before the first exercise. And again, I request all of you, I will share the PDF of chapter 2. Fine. Fraction and decimals, you may also download it. When you start the chapter, we must read the content which is before exercise. Like if it is chapter 2, we know the first exercise will be exercise 2.1. But there are few examples and the concept description before the exercise. Okay, so you must read or go through the if we talk about question number 1 from exercise 2.1, it is just solve. There are some simple addition and subtractions. Just have to first one is 2 minus 3 by 5. Here the denominator is 1. But when you are commenting the answer, don't comment 7 by 5 because it is an improper fraction. So we know that we always convert improper into mixed. Fine. So exercise questions you all will do. Many of you already done and shown me. So 2.1 question number 1 is in homework. You will try to do it. It's an easy game for all of you, I think. Devki not understood what was the question was. Kritika, sorry, 2 minus 3 by 5. Kritika, we know what is the denominator of 2 here. The denominator is 1 and 1 and 5. We know they are which type of fractions? Their denominators are different. Which type of fractions? Comment fast. 2 by 1 and 3 by 5 are unlike fractions. They are unlike, their denominators are different. Now, if we want to make them same, we know we have to take the help of least common multiple. So the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. You know that 1 we multiply by 5. Kritika, we also took subtraction only. Okay, we never added. You can see here the minus is going on. We also did subtraction. Just we have to multiply for the equivalent fraction. We know that 2's equivalent fraction is 10 by 5. जैसे अभी हमने किया था 1 by 2's equivalent fraction was 5 by 10. Same way 2 by 1's equivalent fraction is 10 by 5. Kritika, is it okay? We did subtraction only. Kritika, may I rub? Okay, there are some questions for all of you now. Be ready. Okay. Don't put your answers in the comment box, okay? Just do it and send to me. Those who can able to send now, they will send it. Fine, okay, you may send later. So I got Santosh, one answer. Send the next one also. Let's see, out of 34 students, okay, Jayant answer I got. Submit the both first and second. Okay, fine. Now I think it's audible. Ira also submitted. Submit your attendance, all of you. Okay, so exercise 2.1 is in homework. Right.